Hello folks, welcome to the channel. If settings is not opening on your computer, then watch this video. So the first thing we can do to open settings tab if it's not opening in the start bar or in the search bar is to press the Windows and the I key simultaneously. That's the shortcut for settings. If that doesn't work, then we can click on this lower right hand panel and click on the setting symbol, and also it should work. If that too doesn't work, we can click on the start bar and then go into all apps, and then we can search if it opens from here. But if that too doesn't work for some reason, if especially if the file explorer is hanging, then we can just open the run dialog box, plus Windows and the R key simultaneously, and then we can enter ms-settings and colon network, or you can enter any other setting that you want to open. Say you want to open the devices, then you can just click on this and press enter, and it should open. If this video helped you, then kindly subscribe to the channel. Enjoy your day.